Kilo Juliet 7, Hotel Charlie Sierra.
Have you ever wanted to talk to the International Space Station or another country for free? The ham radio might be the way to do that for you. And thanks to a grant, the Great Falls Public Library now has the full set of instruction books.
Once you become a member of the Great Falls Public Library with your card, you kind of have unlimited access to the resources. You can check out as many as you want.
And the 3 books here, the Technician, the General, and the Amateur Extra, are all the current licenses that are offered by the FCC. And we help administer those tests to people that are interested to help them get going on this journey.
They will be in the new book section for a little while, and then they will go upstairs to our nonfiction section.
People take up ham radio for many reasons.
The disaster preparedness is a very big aspect of this radio service. But talking to the International Space Station, relaying messages through satellites, talking to people around the world by different modes, either Morse code, digital programs, or by voice.
The books were possible due to a grant.
We applied for a grant. There was quite a few different libraries here in the state that we reached out to. Some of them showed interest in getting some of the different sets of the books. Great Falls here, so they're going to have a set that's on the shelf, and then they're going to have a set for the bookmobile. Then there's Cascade Library, Malmstrom Air Force Base, and Fairfield.
If there is enough public demand, then the library is even open to helping to host educational events for the hobby.
If people want to have a program about how to go through this information or what ham radio means and how it can be helpful to the community, then yes, we will definitely do that. Being able to publicly access this now just opens up the opportunities for our community, and that's really what's important about the public library.
It's a really fun hobby. It's just a very fun hobby.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.